Stay.
Who's reviewing for his exam tomorrow? For his final exam at school.
Stay. Come on, bro.
Hey! You took my notes.
Sit. Sit. Down. Down. David. David. Sit. Good boy.
Final exam. That's it. Oy! Asan yun? Ay, dumating na naman si Jessie. Yung ibang commands.
Nawawala ang ano ng konsentrasyon nyo pag nakikita.
Uy, hindi pa tapos yung ibang commands mo. That's it. Isa lang yung nakita ko. Where's the rest of the commands? Come on, you review.
Come on, Blue.
Blue, you're not done yet. May test yan bukas, Jazz. He needs to review.
I have a test too.
Oh, both of you.
Am I reviewing right
Pag yan
now?
bumagsak sa exam niya, I'm gonna...
What if I fail my test?
Come on, Blue.
He's my stress relief dog.
You're not done yet, Blue. Come on, isang command pa lang yun He needs to master all the commands. Come on.
Ano pa bang ano natin?
Ano pa yung mga exam niya? Come on.
Yan ang mahirap i-ano sa kanya, yung release.
What's release?
Yung pag may hawak siyang ganyan, hindi pa release.
Yeah. Drop it. Yung gano'n, drop it. O sige nga, i-command mo, Jazz. Drop it. Ay, hindi niya ita-drop yan. That's his toy.
Drop it. Oh, you dropped it.
Oh, you dropped it. Dito, put yan sa corner. Stay here.
Drop it.
But that's different. That's his toy. Ita-drop ba yung toy niya?
David? David?
No, he's following.
I know, but in his eyes, he's like,
Yeah, parang lungkot-lungkot niya, oh. Okay, get it.
Oh, see?
Okay. Good boy, come on.
No, pa-drop mo siya. Drop it. Drop it.
Mahirap ang ano sa kanya.
No, inaano niya yung command na yun. He's following
Pero
that.
kaya niyang mag-ano pag sinabi mo. Pero pag hawak niya
O, asan ba yung ibang ano niya command? Come on. Yung ganon, yung dalawa kayo magtatawagan and then you will call him.
Oh, wala naman, eh. Matagal din ang ginagawa.
drop it.
Sino bang sinong pupunta sa test? Si Aya o si Jazz?
I study.
Hindi rin pupunta sa Diyos, eh. Hindi ka
I
atin ng
can't
gabi.
do it. Sit. I haven't gone. Sit.
No, it's okay. You will just call him. Kaya nga you practice now, Aya. Come on. You practice the thing. All you have to do is call him. Come on, Aya.
Hey.
Practice, practice. Hey, you're not done yet. Blue.
Tawag naman, magaling. Tumawag sa kanya.
Now leave it. Leave it.
Blue!
Ayan na. Blue. Blue.
Sit! Sit! Sit!
I'm done. Whoa.
Sit! Come on. Come on. Down. 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 Leave it.
So mean.
Leave it.
But he bites me.
Okay, eat. Good boy.
Ah! Hey, leave it. Wow, wow. Leave it. Ay, ako po ah.
No, that's his toy. It's okay.
Sit. Sit. Blue, sit. Throw it. Oh, we're not.
What else? Ano pa yung mga command? Ay, yung mga sit. Sit without using...
Ay. Blue.
Aray ko! What the heck?
No. Pierce through my skin yet.
That's... Oh my goodness.
Okay, throw it again, Joe.
Don't bite me. I'm gonna do this to bite you. Ready? Hey, sit. Sit. Down. Down. Down, Blue.
Anna, are you confident enough that he will pass? Ha? Papasa ba?
Valedictorian nga.
Valedictorian ba?
No, that little baby doggy is.
Wala namang ginawa yung dog na yun, kundi pakita yung point niya gano'n, gano'n.
Yung isa, no? Oh, pero very, obedient. Siguro matanda na yung dog na yun. Ano? How old is that dog? Yeah, compared to Blue. Blue is still...
Is
The
Blue the
baby.
worst dog?
But he's the youngest among all of them.
Oh, Blue's the worst dog there?
No, not really.
Worse in terms on
Playful.
playful. Paglapit ng trainer,
He'll jump at him.
pero nakikita naman yung trainer, sa kanya talaga pag
Pero very smart siya. Remember when they were walking, iniiwanan na siya eh.
hindi ko pinupuntahan ng trainer.
Uri.
Talagang para siyang para siyang bata, ang dali niyang
What are you doing?
siga nga yung poste doon sa PetSmart,
He peed on it.
Pati yung poste doon. hindi niya pinatawad. Sa mukha niya, ulapin ang mukha. Mas malaki sa mukha niya kay Jessie. Jessie, his face is bigger than your face. Oh yeah, they always start like that and then later on,
He acts like Marley.
Yes.
He's Marley's actually. Remember, Marley would go out of the car.
What's it? Is that a movie?
Should we watch it?
Later, let me finish my movie first, please. See, I've been watching that since this afternoon. I cannot even finish my movie. Too many interruptions. I started that movie at what? 4 o'clock? And it's already 8 o'clock? I'm still...
I'm gonna let you
I know.
Yes, he does.
Sakang kayo ng bookshelf.
try it.
Wow, what are you gonna do? Come on, some more commands, Jassy. Oh, look at him. Tignan mo, look at mo tsura niya, oh. Oh, yan ang bed niya eh. That's his bed. That's his corner.
On you.
Have you ever tried letting him sleep there?
He doesn't
Yeah.
sleep.
At night? No, we cannot leave him like that. But daytime, he stays there.
Does he ever nap there?
Oh, yeah. Not for a long time. Nagko-close lang ng eyes and then later on.
He's the lightest sleeper. Any
Again,
type of movement.
natutulog yan, sabi niya gano'n.
Paano?
One time he pushed me off the couch.
Paano ulit, Rick? Oo, ganyan. Yeah, ipupukan niya yung mata niya. That's true.
Maglalakad ako dito, nakapikit yung mata niya. Pero sabi niya,
Tapos ang pula-pula ng mata niya. Parang may sore eyes.
He was laying. He pushed me off of the couch while I was sleeping.
Ballistic again.
hindi ko na,
Kilala ka pa niya eh.
No, I
He did not forget. Oh, Aya, say hi to the subscribers. Tell them to like, and subscribe, please.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
I'm
But-
basically telling myself to like. I'm your subscriber.
What did you do?
Throw it again.
No, let him drop. Don't pull it, Jazz.
Drop it.
No,
Drop
just
it.
don't pull.
Where's the tree?
Wag ganyan, kakagating ka niyan. Jazz, sige.
Drop
Kaya kayo
it.
nag-aaway palagi eh. Oh, see?
Drop it.
Jazz, wag ganyan.
Ay,
Oh,
ay,
see?
Hey,
Just
drop
leave-
it. Drop it.
Look.
Oh no, he did it. Okay, guys, move out of the way.
Sit.
Ang bilis niyang kumilos, no? See? So smart. So much energy.
Okay, start again.
Move it or lose it.
Jesus.
See how fast
Good thing Lola left when he's this big.
Your Lola will be scared.
Lola would literally be like,
Hey! Ow!
What did he do again?
Hey, stop it.
Oh, yeah, that's what he does. That's what he does to Jazz when they're playing. But he won't bite. It's just scary sometimes. Because he sees you as his playmate, Jazz. That's why.
okay,
Move out of the way.
See? The other one, the other hand. Maybe left-handed siya. It's always... He's gonna slap you in the face. See? He's gonna slap you in the face, Jazz. Look.
Ah, this one. This one.
Oh, see?
Fine. Ready? Your turn back.
Oh, may ilaw na yung bahay.
Oh, that went nowhere.
Oh, mami, naikabit na, oh. Ah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, what did you do?
Blue broke it.
Blue, what did you do with my TV?
he unplugged.
Oh,
Hindi.
you unplugged my TV. Look at what happened. I can never finish my movie. My goodness.
Bye, Blue.
Is that it? Okay. Rick, are you sure? Okay na to? Oh, Aya, Jassy, he's following you upstairs.
He still has so much energy.
I know, we already walked for an hour and he's still full of energy. See? Okay. I think. Gotta go now. Say bye. Say bye to your subscribers.
I would run with him,
Blue.
but he runs so
Blue, say bye. Tell them to hit the subscribe and like. Lick myself. Okay. Bye. Bye for now. Until next time. Like and subscribe. Ciao. I'm gonna upload it. And then I'm gonna upload this test. You have his exam. Finals for tomorrow for his school. Alright?
Sit.
You do it. Try it. Try. Okay. Bye now. This is Blue.
Is that all?
Blue signing off. Marami pa. Ayun ang ayusin niyo dito. I can
What's the rest?
Bye. This is Blue signing off. Bye-bye.
Basically,